what's up? It's China back at again with another video, and today is going to be a very fun video. My favorite videos to do on this channel, really, because I am a shopaholic. But we're going to be doing a Guess haul because I recently just started working there and bought some things for work, and as well as just in general, because I'm not gonna just wear this clothes to work, but mainly that's what I was thinking when I bought these clothes. I have clothes, shoes, accessories, and a purse as well to show you guys. So please be sure to give this video a huge thumbs up and subscribe, and let me know in the comments if you shop at Guess or Guess Factory or G by Guess. Let me know. I bought a lot of stuff. So this is the first bag, and this is like the biggest bag that they carry. So hopefully the lighting is okay. It is dark. Oh, I also have a little bag from Ardeen to show you guys what I got inside there too. So the first thing that I got is just like a basic tee that says Guess on it, because you know I'm not gonna wear this really outside of work, but this was just like one of those shirts that you get just to throw on for work, and this was on sale actually. If I can find the receipt. Long ass receipt. Anyway, so the t-shirt was $13.49. You guys know I like tan, and then it has like the gold and black name on it. Real cute. I got it a size small. The things are pretty true to size, I believe. The next thing that I got are these jeans that I did wear once as well, and these are their Novas, and oh my gosh, these jeans are so comfortable. One, two, they suck you in, which I like. The only thing I don't like is that you can't wear a belt with it. They fit super sucked in, like I said, and so you don't even need a belt with these jeans. I got them in a size 24 because that is my size. They fit perfect for my little waist, and yeah. And these jeans remind me of my favorite pair of jeans from, I'm not going to say the name of the store right now, not in this video because this is a Guess video, but just know that these are really good quality and are worth the price. I got these for $59 if you want to go and get yourself a pair. They have dark wash, light wash, they have black, I think they have white. The next thing I got is this set in the sale area, and it's just this blue tank top that cinches on the waist, really cute. And then I got these pants to go with it. They're both a small. The very cute chill at home wear. I saw this is like one thing that I saw that looked really comfortable. And then the next thing I got is this dress, also in the sales area. Very pretty mauve color. They had one in black as well. Tank top, and then it has like this see-through mesh part and going down the middle halfway. Really cute, and it is in a size extra small, and it says $38.95, but it was half off, so I got it for like $18. I don't know how they did the my discount with theirs, but I just know that I got it for a good deal. They had one in black as well, but I couldn't find it. I definitely would have gotten it, but yes, very, very cute, good quality, thick quality, so I could definitely wear it in the winter time with some tights or whatever. And then the next thing I got is this black. I got this black shirt that like ties in the front like this, and there's like this string. Very cute. I got that in extra small as well. I love shirts like this. Very basic, and it's black. You guys know my favorite color is black. Speaking of, this sweater that I'm wearing is also from Guess. It has a little embroidery on the side. Very subtle, cute, and it's a small, and it fits like very loose. So if you like cardigans that fit loose, like they have the arms are like puffed out, which I think is really cute and like girly. And yeah, I don't know how much this was. I forgot how much this was, but the whole store is 20% off, so you're gonna get a deal on it anyway. I'm not sure what the Black Friday deals are because they do not tell us. But yeah, there's that. And how many minutes I have? 9 minutes. Oh my gosh, okay, I have to hurry up. The next thing I got in the sales area is this copper shirt. This copper long sleeve shirt, button-up shirt that has a tie on the bottom as well. Very cute, girly, cute for work as well, and it has a little Guess embroidery on the side, very subtle as well. I like the little subtle stuff. But anyway, and then I got this jean skirt, which I was eyeing for a long time while I was on the floor working. But it was on sale in the sales area, because obviously it was probably for winter, but I'm gonna definitely wear it in the for the summer, but I'm definitely gonna wear it in the winter. It says $44.99, but I'm pretty sure it was half off or 20% off, either or. You're getting it for cheaper than it is. And I got it in an extra small, and I can't wait to wear this with, like, I just can't wait to style that outfit. I mean, style that skirt. The next thing that I got is this really cute onesie. What do you call these? Bodysuits? Sorry, I can't speak. I mean, it's like this detailing going down the front, which I really like. They had a green one too, but I think somebody bought it, which is fine. You know, and I think it's off the shoulder. I just love this. It's so cute and girly. But yeah. This was $39.95, and I got it for either half off or 20%. Not sure how that works, considering that I work there. It's just different pricing for us. But that's all the clothes that I got. Okay. And then on that trip, I also got some shoes. They're actually boots, and they're really cute. These are the the GF Safford boots, and we actually just got them in our store. And I when I saw them, because they did have ones that had a heel, and I was like, they're cute. I wanted them, but I was like, I don't know if I could wear those to work every day. And then the next day they had brought these out, and I was like, oh my gosh, I have to buy them. So I did. They are originally $60, but some of our shoes are on sale for $40, and they are very comfortable. Has a little guest embroidery right here. I got them in a size 6. The back has like this tie on it. I'm not sure if you can make it tighter or not, but and then it has a zip on the side. They're over the knee. And super cute. I'm very happy that I got them. And then after I left work, clocked out, whatever, I got some stuff from Ardeen, and I just got some tights. I got some regular black tights, obviously, because I bought some skirts and stuff, and then I got some sheer tights that look like this, and they were buy one get one $1, so I got 2. And then I needed socks, so I got some low-cut socks, and then I got some crew neck socks, which I've already started wearing, just plain black ones, and these were buy one get one $1 as well. And I would just like to say that the packaging, I mean not the packaging, the bag, I am obsessed with. I'm never throwing this out. Like, it is so durable. Like, okay, Ardeen. And then the next day I had work again, and I bought something. I bought 2 items. The first thing I got is the bag that I was saying that I bought. I want to show you guys. It's just this one, and it's so freaking cute. Okay. It is the West Plains satchel, and it was originally $60, and I got it for 40% off because I do work there, but it is $59, $59.99 for customers, which is not that bad. For a purse like this, it's like mini, but not mini. You could still fit a lot of things inside. It has like a latch, and then it does have a strap as well, and it has 3 pockets, a regular pocket, it has a zip pocket, and it has another pocket on the other side, and then a zipper pocket as well. Really cute. They have like different colors as well. Like, I definitely want to get other colors, but this one just fits me right now because it is black. I wear black mostly, so yeah. And then the last thing that I got is this chain, just a simple 14-inch gold chain. This is super cute. Oh my gosh, I have 4 minutes, but yeah, so cute, love it. This was $6.99, and I think I got it for 40% off. however that much that is. But yeah, let's put this in here. That is it for my video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Please give this video a huge thumbs up and subscribe if you like my hauls. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video.